How to change WhatsApp group name. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change WhatsApp group name. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to update it to the latest version. Now, launch any particular group for which you want to change the group name of. Open it by tapping on it. Now tap the group info at top of the screen or simply you can tap on the username at top of the screen. Now scroll down and then tap three dots at top right corner and here you will see change group name option from the drop down menu box. Tap that. You can delete this previous one and set it to new one. Once you are done, tap on OK button and then as you can see that the name of this group has been successfully changed. In the similar way, you can easily change WhatsApp group name. Remember that you are the admin of the particular group. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.